Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I got another Stampin' Up haul. Now, I just had one and it wasn't a huge one, and then I've got this one, and again it's not a huge one, but they are two little ones, and I just think that there are some great new products and wanted to show them to you. So this I already have. It is embossing paste, but I do not have the shimmery white. So I got a shimmery white. I also picked up what is new, and these are pearlized enamel in white, red, and black. Sorry for the hair. Just got out of the pool and sent the grandkids home with their parents. So I'm like, okay, they're gone. Let's get into the Stampin' stuff. So let me get rid of this. I have a few more items. And this is the Embossing Additions Toolkit. I will be having an embossing class with the toolkit. I'm going to put together a whole kit. If you are interested at all in embossing, which totally got me started in paper crafts, make sure you are joined in my newsletter. What else do we have here? Now this is a dry emboss. This is called Pretty Flowers. This is an embossing folder, and those you use the emboss machine for those. I also have, this is called Charming Sentiments, and I believe that is a, these are dies that also go through the die cutting and embossing machine. This says Stampin' Cut and Emboss. And I believe they outline these. I'll have to show you. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you do so. I also picked up these Garden Grandeurs. They're beautiful little flowers. And I've got a surprise coming for those soon. In a couple weeks, I'll let you know. And then as a prize for my next bingo class, also will be in my newsletter, I got the Perfect Pomegranate. It is a celebration set. That will be a prize. Now for that, you do have to spend a certain amount of money. So, and then my final one, which I'm pretty sure I will be using again with my embossing. This is called the Artistic Mix Decorative Masks. And let's see what we've got in here. How many masks? It does not say. Wait, yes it does. I just need glasses, but I don't have any. So, well, one fell. But we've got this one. We've got this one. So those two together will make a nice plaid. Look at that. We've got this one, and then the one that fell. This can go right in there, and then the other one is this shape, and I do not see it anywhere yet, so otherwise I'd grab it. This one, which has like little mosaics, there you go. And then this one, which, oh my gosh, if you did that in like a blue on white, it would make like those nice little kind of Dutch tiles, right? Is it Dutch? Is it Greek? Who has the blue and white tiles? Maybe I don't even know what I'm talking about. If you know, let me know in the comments below. So I'm gonna sneeze. I'm so sorry, excuse me. And that's it. All right, let me open this for you. The Embossing Additions Toolkit. Now, do I have everything already? Yes, I do. But is this such a cool kit that I had to get it? I did. And that is because the embossing buddy is back. So we got this little embossing. It's kind of like a chalk that goes on. And then this little guy. This is what you put your embossing powders in. And then when you are done, you just, through that little hole, you can pour it right back in to your canister. What else is in this kit? A nice little brush. So if you do get any little strays, you can just brush that away. Really nice, really pretty. And then finally, this is really what I got it for. It's got these little tweezers, right? And they're the kind that if you pinch them, they'll open. And so when you have a card, it'll hold your embossing. Look at that. Isn't that cool? This is the whole reason. The whole reason. I probably could have picked this up for less, but I love the Stampin' Up! Products so much that I'm like, I know I'll be just happy and fine. And then to do an embossing class, I did want to make sure that I had all of the embossing stuff, so I'm not using other stuff while you guys are all using the Stampin' Up! Stuff. And then what is this? Oh, it comes with a little guide. So that is everything. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Do you see this? That's going to be another unboxing coming right now because that was from one of you beauties. So I cannot wait to unbox what I got in the post office. All right, beauties, I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!